Struggling to focus, forgetting names, tasks, or where you left your keys? What if I told you there are simple, science-backed tricks to supercharge your memory? Starting today. Stick around because your brain's about to level up. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of memory and cognitive function. Have you ever wondered how some people have an incredible ability to recall information effortlessly or quickly solve complex problems? Well, today, we're going to explore some effective techniques and strategies to enhance our memory and cognitive abilities. So let's dive right in. 1. Defining memory and cognitive function. Before we proceed, let's take a moment to understand what memory and cognitive function actually mean. Memory refers to the brain's capacity to encode, store, and retrieve information. On the other hand, cognitive function involves various mental processes such as perception, attention, language, reasoning, and problem solving. Simply put, memory and cognitive function are vital for us to navigate and succeed in our daily lives. 2. Lifestyle factors for enhanced memory. Now that we understand the importance of memory and cognitive function, let's explore some lifestyle factors that can significantly boost these abilities. Firstly, regular exercise. Engaging in physical activities such as running, swimming, or even a brisk walk boosts blood flow to the brain, which promotes better memory and cognitive function. Secondly, sleep. Proper sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. When we sleep, our brains process and organize information, helping us retain it for later retrieval. So make sure to prioritize those precious Z's for a sharper mind. Lastly, a balanced diet is key. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins can enhance memory and cognitive performance. Think blueberries, leafy greens, oily fish, and nuts, just to mention a few. Remember, what we put in our bodies greatly impacts our brain's performance. 3. Mental exercise and techniques. In addition to lifestyle changes, there are various mental exercises and techniques that can boost memory and cognitive function. One popular technique is mnemonic devices. These are memory aids that associate information with vivid mental images or acronyms. Mnemonics can be incredibly helpful when trying to remember lists, numbers, or complex details. Another useful practice is mindfulness meditation. By practicing mindfulness, we train our brains to focus and avoid distractions. This can improve attention span and enhance memory retrieval. Just a few minutes of meditation each day can yield significant benefits in the long run. Additionally, engaging in challenging mental activities, such as puzzles, crosswords, or even learning a new language, exercises our cognitive abilities. These activities stimulate the brain, promoting the growth of new neural connections and improving overall cognitive function. 4. The impact of emotions on memory. Did you know that emotions play a significant role in memory formation? Our brain tends to remember events that are emotionally charged. This phenomenon is called emotional memory. So if we want to enhance our memory, we should try to connect emotionally with the information we want to remember. Adding vivid images, personal anecdotes, or even relating the information to our own experiences can help make it stick. 5. Memory-enhancing techniques. Let's explore a few additional memory-enhancing techniques that might give your memory an extra advantage. First up, spaced repetition. Instead of cramming all your study sessions into one long session, try breaking them down into shorter, regular intervals. This technique helps the brain consolidate information more effectively and promotes long-term recall. Another technique is the method of loci. This ancient mnemonic strategy involves associating information with specific locations or places you're familiar with. By mentally placing information in these locations, you can retrieve it easily later on. Finally, the power of visualization. Our brains are wired to remember visual information better than plain text. So, by creating engaging mental images or even sketching diagrams to represent concepts, we can significantly improve memory recall. And there you have it, folks. We've explored numerous strategies and techniques to enhance memory and cognitive function. From adopting a healthy lifestyle to practicing mindful meditation and leveraging mnemonic devices, there are plenty of ways to give our brain a boost. Remember, improving memory and cognitive function is not an overnight process but a journey. So, take it one step at a time and be patient with yourself. Give these techniques a try and see what works best for you.
Wake up your mind, it's time to ignite.